To extend a baseboard at a wall end when the existing piece is too short, cut and join the next section so the run reads as one continuous trim. Measure the shortfall from the end of the existing baseboard to the corner and transfer that distance to the new board while accounting for any profile overlap so the face lines up perfectly. Cut the new piece to length with a straight cut if you will butt it square to the short piece, or cut a matching miter if the joint will sit on a visible angle. Use a miter box or miter saw set to the same angle used on the adjacent pieces to ensure matching profiles. For increased strength and alignment, apply a thin bead of wood glue along the mating edges and press the faces together so the profiles meet flush. Then drive 2 finish nails through the face into the stud or use brad nails from the top back for a hidden fastening approach. Clamp or use a temporary block and a squeeze clamp to hold the joint tight while the glue cures, or if nails are used, set the nail heads below the surface and fill later. Once secure, use painter quality acrylic caulk along the seam at the reveal and a high quality wood filler or painter's putty for any nail holes, then sand smooth when dry. Finish by priming and painting the joint area with the same paint and sheen as the rest of the run, feathering the paint a few inches each side so the repair becomes visually invisible. Common mistakes include cutting the replacement piece without matching the existing profile or angle, which creates a visible step at the joint. Avoid this by copying the miter angle and profile with a coping saw or setting your miter saw to the identical angle. Another issue is relying on nails alone, which can allow a gap to open as the wood moves. Prevent that by using glue plus clamps for a long-lasting bond and then reinforcing with discrete nails if needed. A third problem is poor surface preparation or rushed filling, which shows after painting. Take time to sand filler flush, apply caulk neatly into the reveal, and use 2 coats of paint, allowing full dry time between coats so the joint blends. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and project posts. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and post photos about projects like baseboard joining so everyone can learn from real-world examples.